Hi friends, in this video we'll see about the difference between where and let keywords. There's a 3 point is very important. First one is scope. Actually, where keyword it's for function scope and let keyword is for black scope. Let's see with an example. I have written two functions. One is with var keyword and another one is with the let keyword. So the first point is function scope, right? So let's check it for. I have written for loop. So inside that I have printing that value, and let me check outside that black also, is it working or not. See, var value is 10 and 0 inside that loop also it's working, and outside that loop also it's working. So it's a function scope. And let's say it for let value. So I'm going to print this value outside that for loop. So here actually that value is inside the function only. So let's say this for loop variable. So it's not taken. In using a var, it will taken. So it's print I, right? So inside that var for I have declared var variable, it's printing outside that for. But inside that for I used j declared using let, but it's not printing outside that for loop. So this is the difference between both. And the next one is hosted. Hosted top, I mean, if compiler going to execute means first it will capture all the variables and function names first itself. So for variable name I have declared here. Let's see, before that line can we print this value? It's coming as undefined. That means that variable is taken, but that value is not assigned to this. That's why it's showing us undefined. Okay, let's see with let the same. Here, this let value it's not taking because it's going to line by line only it will take. The third point is redeclaration. Here I have declared this value. Again I am going to declare this value with this different variable with a different value. So in let it's showing it's already declared. Let's see with var. In var it's taken, so I have given 110 value, so it's printing it instead of creating new one, it's replacing this var value because this is the JS compiler process, right? That's all friends. Keep these 3 points, remember. You can easily understand var and let keywords. If you are a new user for this channel, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thanks for watching.